Let's see how you can easily build AI chatbots with message history capabilities. So that means when a particular customer is talking to you through the Instagram, WhatsApp, or any other channels, you can actually fetch the conversation history between the specific customer and the chatbot. So the future responses are handled considering the context of the specific conversation as well. So let's see how you can easily achieve this by building a simple AI chatbot right here. So here, first of all, you need to connect any channels you want to build the AI chatbot on. For example, if you want to build a chatbot on your Facebook page, you need to connect the Facebook page right here. And if you're wondering how, click on channels option over here. It will take you directly to settings, channels, and choose Facebook Messenger, where you will see the connect option and simply log in with Facebook and connect your account right here. So here, if we go to the help center and let me choose Facebook page or messenger automation, here we can find the step-by-step guide on how to connect your Facebook page. Connect button, simply log in with Facebook, choose the Facebook page you want to connect and connect it. That's it. It will take just a few seconds to connect your Facebook page right here. And if you want to use the AI part right here, you have to connect the API keys from any of these AI platforms such as settings, integrations. You can connect the API keys from OpenAI, Google Gemini, Cloud, XA, or DeepSeek as well. For example, if you want to use the OpenAI, click on Learn More, where you will see the step-by-step guide on how to grab the API keys from this specific website and simply connect it on our platform. That's it. So once it is done, you can actually build any sort of AI chatbots powered by the OpenAI platform right here. And here, you have to go to the AI hub to create any sort of AI chatbots or AI agent to respond to the customer's questions on multiple channels. All right. For example, let's use this information right here. Blue River Plumbing Services. So this is about the plumbing company. We have all the information about that specific company overviews, the services area, the services they provide, and other details as well. All right. So let me use this information to build the AI chatbot along with the message history as well. So here, this is the company name, Blue River Plumbing Services. So here in the AI agent, so let me create a new AI agent and name this one as Blue River Plumbing Services. So here, this the AI agent has been created, and here you have to add all the information about that specific company right here. So let me copy all this information we have right here and paste it over here. All right, so I have just pasted the information, and here we have the prompt as well. So let me delete this one. So it says you are an AI assistant. So let me say you are a customer service assistant. Customer service assistant for this specific company. Answer the customer's question in using the provided knowledge base about services pricing, scheduling, and plumbing issues. Keep every response short, clean, maximum 1 to 2 sentences. Maintain a professional and helpful, friendly tone. Always consider the conversation history. Show your replies stay relevant. Do not repeat the information already given. So we have this prompt right here, and here we have to fetch the conversation history as well. So here I have a space for the conversation history. So you have to simply add a system field variable we have defined in our platform just to fetch the conversation history to the AI chatbot right here. All right. So here, if I go to the help center over here, so let me go to the help center over here. So here I'm in the help center. You have to locate the system fields, static media system fields. Open this option over here where you can find the system field related to the chat histories right here. So here, if you scroll down here, we have the system field related to the chat history right here. So here, chat history details large will return the 200 messages between the user and the business with the sender info. So we can use this one. So if chat history, it will just return only the 50 messages, which may not be sufficient. So we can use this one, chat history details large. So you have to simply copy this system field right here and fetch that into your AI agent. That's it. So that will simply fetch the chat history to your AI agent every time when a particular customer sends a message, and from there it can actually generate very contextual responses for your users as well. All right, that's it. So that's how you actually add the chat history or conversation history to your AI chatbot easily. And this may be useful when you actually instruct the AI agent to ask specific questions in order, and if a particular customer failed to answer one question, you can actually use the chat history details to ask this question again in the conversation as well. All right. And here, if you click on this option here, you have the option to choose specific models you want to use right here. For example, let me use GPT 5.4 mini as the first priority right here. So it will always try to generate a response from the GPT 5.4 mini. Only if this fails, it will try to generate a response from other AI models right here. Here you have the option to set specific temperature, tokens, and other things as well. So let me click save for now over here. So this is the AI agent we just created, and you can even upload specific files and use that files for the AI agent as well. And you can even create AI functions to collect specific customer details from them as well. So for example, let me open get discount AI function, where I simply collect a particular customer's name and phone number before it actually provide them with a specific discount coupon as well. So the possibilities are endless right here. So here, this is the AI agent we just created. Set this one as the default AI agent. All right. So now this will simply handle customers' questions from multiple channels. So it can simply work on Facebook page, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, SMS, and other channels you see right here. So here, let's test this on the Facebook page and see how this actually works. So here, this is the information we have right here. So this is the office address. So here, let me test this through the Facebook page, but it works the same on other channels too. So let me go to the Facebook page connected and ask about the office address. So what is your office address? So here I ask about the office address, and here this we should actually receive this sort of response right here. So let's see what's the response we are receiving. So our office address is this one. If you would like, I can also share our phone number or business hours as well. Simple as that. Here, these are the service areas right here. If the customer is outside of these areas, service may be available depending on the distance as well. All right. So here, just for the demo, let me say, I am from California. Can you help me? So let's see how this actually generate a response right here. So it says, yes, we may be still able to help you depending on your locations and the distance right here. So it simply asks the customer to provide the zip code to check right there, or the city as well. So here, it should have actually remembered the conversation right here. So since I have said California earlier, let's see what happens over here. So let me ask one more question before we test this. All right. So let me ask about what services do you provide. So let me say, what services do you provide? So here I ask about the services over here. All right. And let me ask one more question about, do you service commercial properties as well? So here, with this response, we provide all these services right here. And let me ask one more question. Do you service commercial properties as well? All right. Let's see what sort of response we are receiving. All right. See, we receive response as well. So in the previous history, I said I am from California. So let me say, do you know my state? So just for the demo, let me ask about the state over here, and let's see how this actually works over here. So it says, I only know you mentioned California earlier, but I don't have the exact location. If you share your city or zip code, I can check the service availability. Simple as that. So by fetching the chat history details into the AI agent prompt, we simply let the AI agent to remember the conversation right here. Since they said I'm from California, it simply send a response as well. So here, if you are wondering what this is saved in this specific chat history details large variable, we can check that as well. So copy this variable and let me go to this unified inbox where you can track all these conversation happened right here. So this from the messenger. Here you can different filters as you like, and here you have more filters including my inbox and other things as well. So let me untick this one. All right, and here let me send that chat history details large through this chat to the customer right here and see what happens. So here, send it. All right, so here you see all the customer conversation is recorded here from the moment they said get started, and again they ask about the office address. The bot said this one, I am from California, customer mentioned. So everything is saved in that specific single system field variable, so it do the heavy lifting for you to remember the conversation right there and respond to the customers based on the conversation history as well. So it's work the same on other channels like Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, other channels. And that's a quick video on how you can easily build an AI chatbot with message history. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.